everyone. Today I'm going to make a science experiment. So for this we need some materials. So we need a plastic bottle and we need a plastic cup and a plastic pipe and a balloon. So first we have to make a hole in the bottle like this. Then we have to insert the pipe in the bottle. Then we have to keep the cup at the end of the pipe. Then we have to pour the water in the plastic bottle. And we have to pour the water below the hole. Then we have to blow a balloon. And we have to put it in the plastic bottle, and then the water will go into the plastic cup. And the logic is when we put the balloon, the water rises up, and due to the air pressure, the water goes into the pipe and it comes into the plastic glass. Thank you.